Hello friend, today we review Nokia new device with you here. There are many smartphone brands within the world today. Nokia is one among them. Nokia company is getting to launch a tremendous new model smartphone early next year, named Nokia Maze Pro Lite 2020. So, the upcoming new smartphone Nokia Maze Pro Lite is the latest technology of the new smartphone with an excellent design and impressive storage options. Of design, the new Nokia Maze Pro Lite model comes with a 6.2-inch Super AMOLED screen with 4K resolution. Every man likes the most important display. Another interesting fact of this device, IP68. Yes, the phone is IP68 certified. It means this smartphone is totally excluded from safe water. Plus, Corning Gorilla Glass 6 includes protection to guard the device from light water drops. Here comes the foremost favorite part of the user in terms of photography. This smartphone has many features including the newest technology features. The Nokia Maze Pro Lite camera features a triple 48MP rear snapper, so once you click something you'll love it. Additionally, it also packs one 32MP selfie shooter with this device with a pop-up optical lens for taking selfies. Sports, so you get the prospect to click selfies as you would like. Now turn it into a battery section. This device has an 8500 mAh power box, non-removable. It provides us with no time for fast charging. Nokia Maze Pro Lite will come in a couple of variants. When it comes with 12GB RAM and 256GB/512GB ROM offer. Furthermore, the onboard memory is expandable up to 512GB via the encouraged microSD card slot, which when you select is up to you. So you'll save whatever you would like to save lots of on your mobile without fear about storage. Now let's mention the processor. Nokia Beast has taken power from a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset. In order, that particular chipset will make your mobile faster. After all, as this phone has numerous advantages, it's really important to make sure of the right OS in order that you'll run the mobile smoothly. That's why Nokia Maze Pro Lite works on the newest Android 10. Surely this OS will ensure very easy use of your expensive phone. Consistent with our internal sources, the device is predicted to launch in late 2020. If you'd wish to know more about this Nokia Maze Pro Lite specs, Nokia Maze Pro Lite 2020 price, release date, or other features, write your comment below. We'll reply as soon as possible, also informing you when the smartphone is going to be officially available within the market. Thanks for finally staying and for continuing this video.